Good morning and welcome back to our computer class. Today we are going to do quiz. Okay, what is that quiz? I am going to ask you questions. You are going to give me answers and I am going to select that. Okay, so see it properly and answer it. Okay, we are going to revise all the lessons through quiz. So, the first question. A keyboard is dash in shape. What is the shape of keyboard? Quickly tell me. What is the shape of keyboard? Yes, rectangle. So where it is written rectangular, it is written here rectangular. Okay, rectangular. Okay, or rectangle in shape. And we are going to submit. Let us see
Good
right
job.
or not.
Your answer is correct.
Yes, answer is correct. Next, we are going to move on to the next question. Where do we see computers? Okay, where do we see computers? Options are school, offices, shopping malls, all of these. You have seen computers in schools also, offices also, shopping malls also. So the answer is all of these. Very good. कितने बच्चों ने all of these सोचा था? Very good to them. And we are going to submit. Let's see what is our score. Now we are getting 1 on 1.
Good job. Your answer is correct.
Yes, 2 on 2. Next, the last alphabet in the bottom row. ओके कीबोर्ड में जो लास्ट अल्फाबेट होगा कीबोर्ड में लास्ट अल्फाबेट इन द बॉटम रो मीन्स द लास्ट रो ऑफ अल्फाबेट की इज जितने बच्चों ने याद किया होगा QWERTYUIOP ASDFGHJKL ZXCVBN and M. Yes. So we are going to select M.
Good job.
Submit.
Your answer is correct.
So M is the last one. The first alphabet key in the first row. अब कीबोर्ड में जो फर्स्ट रो है उसमें से फर्स्ट अल्फाबेट की कौन सी ये सब बच्चों को पता है आई नो दैट इज योर क्यू ओके द फर्स्ट अल्फाबेट की इज क्यू सबमिट करते
Good
हैं
job. Your answer is correct.
नेक्स्ट a dash does not work on its a dash does not works on its own so मैन अपने आप वर्क करते हैं एनिमल्स कुछ करना नहीं पड़ता दे आर गोइंग टू वर्क कंप्यूटर इज नॉट गोइंग टू वर्क ऑन इट्स ओन
Good job. Your answer is correct.
नेक्स्ट डैश what happened when you work for hours बहुत देर तक आप जब काम करते हो तो क्या होता है you get tired so we are going to take on you get tired
Good
submitted
job. Your answer is correct.
which of the following activities a computer does not do कंप्यूटर क्या नहीं करता कंप्यूटर कैन वॉक नो कंप्यूटर कैन जंप नो कंप्यूटर कैन लाफ नो सो वी आर गोइंग टू टेक ऑन all of these let us see what computer is going to tell you
Good job. Your answer is correct.
okay moving on to the next which among the following works on its own machine which of the following is machine computer
Good job. Your answer is correct.
machine makes our work क्या करते हैं मशीन मेक्स अवर वर्क easy. So we are going to take on easy.
Good job. Your answer is correct.
Dash is a machine that runs with human power. कौन सी मशीन ह्यूमन पावर से चलती है? एरोप्लेन? नो. बाइसिकल? यस. देन स्कूटर एंड मिक्सर, ये दोनों भी नहीं चलते हैं. तो बाइसिकल रन्स विथ ह्यूमन पावर, सो इट्स अ मैकेनिकल मशीन. जो मशीन्स ह्यूमन पावर से चलती हैं उनको हम क्या बोलते हैं? मैकेनिकल मशीन्स.
Good job. Your answer is correct.
We can play on a We can play, क्या खेल सकते हैं हम? Letter, text, games. So games on a computer. We are going to submit.
Good job. Your answer is correct.
We can write dash on a computer. What we can write? Games तो नहीं लिख सकते हैं आप. बड़े होने के बाद you can create games. Pictures, you can create pictures, but write तो letters. Okay. You can listen music, but write क्या करेंगे हम? Letters.
Good job. Your answer is correct.
We can listen to dash on a computer. क्या listen करोगे आप कंप्यूटर पर? Music. So we are going to take on this music.
Good job. Your answer is correct.
We can draw dash on a computer. What you can draw? You can draw pictures. You can write letters. You can listen music. You can draw pictures.
Good job. Your answer is
We can watch dash on a computer. Now watch, क्या देखोगे आप? So you are going to watch movies on a computer.
good job. Your answer is correct.
Which of the following parts of computer displays movies? Okay. कौन सा पार्ट कंप्यूटर का मूवीज डिस्प्ले करता है? देखते किस में हो आप कंप्यूटर में? Yes, it's monitor.
Good job. Your answer is correct.
Name the part of computer that does all work of a computer. Okay, कंप्यूटर के लिए थिंकिंग, कंप्यूटर का ब्रेन क्या है? CPU. So all the work is done in CPU.
Good job. Your answer is correct.
Which part of computer is used to type letters, words? कौन से आप टाइपिंग करोगे? कीबोर्ड.
Good job. Your answer is correct.
We switch on or off a computer by using the power button on a. कहाँ रहता है power button? CPU.
Good job. Your answer is correct.
Which part of computer has dash? What is that? Which part of computer has? क्वेश्चन ही कंप्लीट नहीं है ये. Which part of a computer has tail होगा.
Good job. Your answer is correct.
Okay. Which part of computer has a wire? Your tail, that is your mouse. Buttons to click is your mouse. Which one is the odd in the group? ठीक है, odd one out निकालना है हमें. So स्पेस बार की, एंटर की, बैक स्पेस की, नंबर की. अब odd क्या है? स्पेस बार की, एंटर की, बैक स्पेस की, they are special keys and number keys are different. So what is odd? Number key.
Good job. Your answer is correct.
So we have done 21 questions. Okay, you see this video to revise the lessons which we have done till now. Goodbye for now. That's all for today. Bye bye.